This is a compact, fully electric two-tank CIP system. Designed for sanitary industries, it delivers efficient and highly repeatable cleaning. The system features two insulated stainless steel tanks, dedicated in-tank and inline electric heating element, enabling rapid heat-up times and precise temperature control. A major advantage of this system is its parallel operation capability, which dramatically reduces operator involvement and production downtime. While one tank is actively performing the cleaning cycle, the second tank can be simultaneously filled, heated, and dosed with chemicals, allowing continuous back-to-back cleaning cycles. The system includes a default cleaning program that can run automatically. In addition, users may select custom programs. The default program proceeds as follows. First, both tanks are filled with room temperature water. While a caustic tank is being heated, the water tank is heated simultaneously by the in-tank heater and by circulation through the inline heater. Once the water tank reaches 105 degrees Fahrenheit, the system performs the initial rinse cycle by delivering water to the equipment at 50 gallons per minute and approximately 105 degrees Fahrenheit. After the initial rinse, the water tank is refilled with 100 gallons of fresh water, heated simultaneously by the in-tank 20 kilowatt heater and by recirculation through the 20 kilowatt inline booster heater. Once the temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius, the system delivers the solution to the equipment at a flow rate of 50 gallons per minute and 145 degrees Fahrenheit to perform the hot water rinse cycle. After the hot water rinse cycle, the water tank is automatically refilled and heated by the in-tank heater in preparation for the later final rinse operation. At the same time, the following steps occur for the caustic wash. While the caustic tank is being heated, caustic concentrate is added via the metering pump to reach the target concentration. The solution is circulated through the inline heater to raise the temperature from 135 degrees Fahrenheit to the recommended range of 155 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit and held for 5 to 10 minutes. The caustic solution is then delivered to the equipment at 50 gallons per minute, while conductivity is continuously monitored on the return line. After the caustic wash cycle, switch back to the water tank that has been preheating in preparation for the final rinse. Recirculate the water through the inline heater until it reaches 105 degrees Fahrenheit, then pump it to the object being cleaned for the final rinse. This completes the CIP process. Sanitization process can also be performed with this skid by adding sanitizer concentrate to the water tank via the metering pump. The system then executes the sanitizer rinse as follows. Heat the sanitizer solution to approximately 105 degrees Fahrenheit using both the in-tank heater and the inline heater boost. Perform the sanitization rinse. Deliver the solution to the equipment at 50 gallons per minute and approximately 105 degrees Fahrenheit until the conductivity on the return line returns to baseline.